Hello viewer, welcome to the tutorial of Master Admin Panel in Taxi Mobility. You will be viewing how a Master Admin has a overall control and settings over its taxi company, using Master Admin Panel. The Master Admin Panel has all the features of Company Admin Panel, except dispatching system. And brief explanation about general settings, company settings, car settings, packages management, CMS management, user management, ratings, and reports will be given in this tutorial. The Master Admin can set his profile after providing his personal information in the respective text boxes. The header consists of the company logo, account balance, option to show or hide menu tabs, and dashboard statistics. Dashboard statistics gives a quick summary of user chart, drivers chat date-wise, transactions, account balance, live passengers, unassigned drivers, free taxis, unassigned taxis, and latest updates. Above you can also find Rapid Access tab and reports. All these options are displayed to give the Master Admin a convenience to keep an eye upon important components. Let's start with General Settings tab. Taxi company's website details can be added after filling the details like site name, site description, site tagline, contact email address, contact phone number, pagination settings, notification time, tell to friend message, meta keywords, meta description, SMS enable, fare settings, currency code, currency symbol, show map, admin commission, taxi charge, copyright info, site logo, site email logo, and site favicon image. Click Update to update the taxi company site details. SMTP mail settings can be done filling these text boxes. Sms Template tab is meant to set SMS templates for various notifications. These SMS templates are necessary to give the taxi company passenger a personalized SMS. These templates can be edited too. The Master Admin can set his social networking settings by entering the details in the text boxes. Payment Gateway tab summarizes all the payment gateways integrated with site along with its details as shown. A payment gateway can be enabled or disabled. A particular payment gateway can also be made default. Banner settings in the company website are done with the help of this tab. Here the Master Admin can specify the alt tags image, and upload banner image. Manage Contacts is the tab where users or passengers who have posted inquiries or feedback to the taxi companies automatically lands up here. Country, State and City Management are tabs that help taxi company to specify its availability. Taxi company can add and manage several countries, states and cities using these tabs. FAQ management is meant to provide passengers with general FAQs related to apps or taxi company. These FAQs can be added and managed using these tabs. Also has an option to change the status of a particular FAQ. Moderator Management is a tab to add up a moderator other than Master Admin. This moderator can act as a Master Admin at times. This may or may not be added. All the moderators can be managed in the Manage Moderators tab. Company Settings. Over here the Master Admin can add various branches of one taxi company, or various other taxi companies under one platform. The Master Admin can enter the personal details of the person handling Company Admin Panel, PayPal details of that company, and company informations along with currency and time zone. Click button Submit to save the details. Manage Companies tab helps to manage the companies added. It also provides a summarized detail of Company Admin Panel holder name, company name, or branch name, company address, company email, number of taxi, number of driver, number of dispatcher, and editing options. Also has an option to change the status of the company. Each company has their own dispatchers. Click Company Setting, Company Dispatcher, and then add dispatcher by inserting personal information like first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, mobile number, address, country, state, and city. Click Submit to add a dispatcher. The added dispatcher will be reflected in Manage Dispatcher tab. This tab helps you to edit these details anytime. Details can be searched using filters. Also has an option to change the status of the dispatcher anytime clicking and selecting the checkboxes with appropriate status. Here comes the car settings. Over here the master admin can manage brand of a taxi. These brand can be edited, searched, and change status. Model Management is a tab where model of a taxi that is available with a taxi company is managed. Manage Miles is tab where the taxi company can set the miles within which the taxi will be visible in passenger app. These miles can be edited anytime. Come over to Taxi Management. Over here you can add taxis. You need to fill in taxi information like taxi number, taxi company, taxi type, taxi model, taxi capacity, taxi speed, maximum luggage, country, state, city, and upload taxi image. Click Submit to add a taxi. The added taxi will be reflected in Manage Taxi tab. This tab helps you to edit these details anytime or search a detail using filters. You also have an option to change the status of the taxis anytime clicking and selecting the checkboxes with appropriate status. Manage Availability of Taxi is a tab which is useful while upgrading or downgrading your company packages. Here you can select the taxis which will operate on a particular package. Click upon the tab Driver Management and then add driver. Driver's personal information like first name, last name, email ID, password, confirm password, gender, date of birth, driver license ID, mobile number, country, state, city, booking limit per day, and address can be filled in the respective text boxes. Upload photo of the driver too. Click Submit to add a driver. The added driver will be reflected in Manage Driver tab. This tab helps you to edit these details anytime. You can search details using filters. You also have an option to change the status of the driver anytime clicking and selecting the checkboxes with appropriate status. Availability of driver is a tab which is useful while upgrading or downgrading your company packages. Here you can select the driver which will operate on a particular package. Next comes the Assign Taxi tab. This tab is helpful to assign particular taxi to a particular driver and keep a track over it. These taxis are assigned date-wise. That is appropriate starting date and ending date for each. Below you can see these details summarized list-wise. Package Management. This tab is helpful if the taxi company is managing numerous other taxi companies under one platform. Adding up a package requires to fill details like package name, package description, number of taxi, number of driver, package price, days to expire the package, driver tracking, admin commission, enabling any one option like transaction-based commission, package with commission, or package with no commission. These options can be enabled as per company norms. Click Submit to add a package. The added package will be reflected in Manage Package tab. This tab helps you to edit these details anytime. Upgrade Reports tab helps to summarize the package updations done by taxi companies. Cms tab is meant to manage the menu tabs and its contents. Master admin can add menu tab for their website after filling menu name, permalink, and set to publish. The added menu will be reflected in Manage Menu tab. These menu tabs can be edited by the master admin as per taxi company convenience. Adding contents to these menu tabs can be done in Add Contents. Select the menu from the drop-down list, enter meta title, meta keywords, meta description, and content. The added content will be reflected in Manage Content tab. These contents can be edited by the master admin as per taxi company convenience. User Management tab shows all the user list and passenger list. A click upon User List tab shows details of all users using the solution, like company admin panel users, dispatchers, taxi drivers. Passenger List tab shows all the passenger users of the solution with details like name, email, phone, address, created date, account type, status, and options to edit, search and set status. View driver ratings. Here in this tab, driver name, ratings earned and comments can be seen individually. Proceeding to one of the important tab, that is Reports. All Transaction tab gives complete transaction details in graphical and list-wise. Also has an option to search and get customized transaction report that can be exported to PDF or Excel. Transactions like completed, cancelled by passenger and rejected by driver can be seen in the respective tabs. All the trip and transaction which were successfully completed can be seen in Completed Transaction tab. It displays details like credit card transaction ID, payment type, trip ID, passenger name, driver name, company name, journey date, pickup and drop location, admin commission, company commission, distance, night fare, total fare, and equivalent to USD. Cancelled transactions are those which was booked and then cancelled by the passenger. Cancellation fee is deducted from the passenger's account. Rejected trip are those which are rejected by the driver due to any reason. Thus, Master Admin Panel is filled with user-friendly features to control and track overall taxi company operations smoothly. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.